Good morning, students. Class 8 subjects mathematics, chapter 4 cubes and cube roots. Here, today we are finding cube roots by observing units digit method. We are taking one example 512. The unit digit 512 1 2 3 1 2 3, that unit digit is 2. Now the unit digit of cube root of 512 is 8. Why 8? Now these 2 multiply by 3 times 2 2 2, that is 8. 8 is the unit digit. Now when we write 512, no number is left. 1 2 3. Why we are taking the 3 times cut? Because we are cube means 3. So therefore cube of 512, cube root of 512 is 8. We are taking another example 7 to 9, 1 2 3 digit, and last digit is 9. 9 is unit digit. The unit digit of 7 to 9 is 9. Now the unit digit of 7 to 9 is 9, and unit digit of cube root of 7 to 9 is 9. Why? Because 9 into 9 into 9, 9 3s are 9 9s are, sorry, 9 9s are 81. 81 into 9, 729, and last digit is 9. Now when we write 7 to 9 and cut it from right side 1 2 3, no number is left. Therefore cube root of 7 to 9 is equal to 9. Next, another example 5 8 3 2, 1 2 3 4, 4 digit, and last digit is 2. This is called the unit digit. Unit digit of 5832 is 2, but unit digit of cube root of 5832 is 8. Why? Because 8 multiply by 3, because this 2 multiply by 3 times 1 2 3, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. This is the 8. Now when we write 5 8 3 2, from cut it from the right side 1 2 3, and 5 is left. Now when we write 1 cube is equal to 1. 1 is less than 5. And when we write 2 cube, 2 cube is equal to 8. It is the greater than 5. So therefore tens digit of 35832 is 1. Because we are taking equation from 1 and 2. Cube root of 3583832 is equal to tens digit is 1 and unit digit is 8. This is the answer. Another example 46656. 1 2 3 4 5. Here is 5 digit, but last digit, this is called the unit digit. The unit digit of 46656 is 6. Now the unit digit of cube root of 46656 is 6. Why? Because when this 6 multiply 3 times, here we get 216. 216, last unit digit is 6. So therefore 6. This is the called equation number 1. Now when we cut it 46656 from right side 1 2 3, 46 is left. Now when we cube root of the number, we are taking here 3. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. 27 is less than 46, and 4 4 4 the 4 64. 64 is greater than 46, therefore it cannot be taken. Thus, 10th digit of cube root of 46656 is 3. This is the equation number 2. Now comparing equation 1 and equation 2. The 10th digit is 3 and unit digit, this is the unit digit, this is the 6. So therefore your answer is 36. Now today we start exercise 4.2. We are solving here some questions of exercise 4.2. Question number 1. First part. Find the cube roots of the following 1728. Simple method. We are taking the LCM of the given number divided by 2. 864 divided by 2, 432 divided by 2, 216 divided by 2, 108 divided by 2, 54 divided by 2, 27 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3, 3 and divided by 3, 1. Now when we write in factor form, this 1, 2, 3, 1 times, 1, 2, 3, 1 times, 1, 2, 3, 1 times. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. 12 is the cube root of 1728. Now next questions. Question number 3rd. Minus 13824. Here we write minus cube root of 13824 and taking the LCM of the same process divided by 26912 divided by 23456 divided by 21728 divided by 2864 divided by 2432 divided by 2216 divided by 2108 divided by 254 divided by 27 and 9 and 3 and 1. Now here we write all cube form 1 2 3 and again 3. 1 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24. 24 multiplied minus, this is the minus 24 is the answer. Question number 3rd. Find the cube root of rational number. Rational number 2197. Here we write cube root of 2197 upon 4913. Taking the LCM of 2197 divided by 13, 169 again divided by 13, 30 by 1. Now next part, 4913 divided by 17, 289 divided by 17, 17 divided by 1. Now here we write now 13 into 13 into 13 upon 17 into 17 into 17. 13 1 times, 17 1 times. Therefore cube root of the given number 13 upon 17. Next questions. Now third part, 1331 upon 8, cube root of 1331 upon 8. Simple, we find out the LCM of the given number. Now this number will be divided by 11, so therefore we get the 121. 121 again divided by 11, we get the 11, again divided by 11, we get the 1. Now cube root of 8, here the cube root of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. There we write 11 into 11 into 11 upon 2 into 2 into 2. That is the 11 1 times upon 2. This is the answer. Next part, fifth part, 4096 upon minus 125. Here we write the in the right form minus 4096 upon 125 because denominator never be negative. Therefore multiply by minus 1 in both numerator and denominator. We get the minus this. Now minus 4096 upon 125 cube root is here 4096 divided by 2 2048 20 divided by this 1024 2 divided by this 512 2 divided by this 256 2 divided by this 128 again 2 divided by 128 64 2 divided by 64 32 2 divided by 116 2 divided by 16 8 2 divided by 8 4 and 2 divided by 4 2 2 divided by 1. Now when we write in this one form, now 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times. Now minus here 1 2 3, 4. Now 125, 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Therefore, we write 1 times 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 upon 5. Minus 16 upon 5 is the answer. Now, next questions. Question number 3. Find the cube root of given number. First part 216 into 8. Here we write cube 216 into 8 is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now 6 1 times 2 1 times 6 multiplied by 2, that is 12 is the answer. Next question, third part 16 into 32. Here we write cube root of 16 into 32. Same 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, again 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. We write the same process. 1 times 2 to the 4 to the 8. This is the 8 is the answer. Now next questions, fifth part is minus 243 into 24 is equal to minus cube of 243 into 24. We write in this form is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 27, 3 is 81, 3 is 243 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 is 24. Now 1 times 3. Now again this 1, 2 and 3. 1 times 3 and 1 times 2. 3 3 is 9, 2 is 18. Now 18 minus 18 is the answer. Now this was your exercise. Now I am giving the exercise 4.2. You have to solve by yourself remaining questions of this exercises. Thank you.